I is for island iguana and ice cream. Chug, chug. Toot, toot. The alphabet train rolled into the station with a bright blue car marked with the letter I. As the train came to a stop, the door of the I car slowly opened with a soft click. Out popped a happy iguana, waving its little green paw. "Hi there," he said with a smile. "I'm Izzy the iguana, and I live on a teeny tiny island with lots of palm trees, warm sunshine, and my favorite treat, ice cream." The kids at the station gasped in delight. "Ice cream?" one shouted. "What kind do you like?" Izzy licked his lips and nodded excitedly. "Oh yes, I love ice cream, especially the swirly, colorful kind. Strawberry, vanilla, blueberry. It starts with the letter I, just like me." Suddenly, the train's chimney puffed out a swirl of sweet-smelling steam, and poof! A magical cone of rainbow ice cream appeared on the train's engine. Izzy clapped his claws. "Yay! It's ice cream time!" As Izzy licked his cone, he invited everyone to his sunny island. "Come visit. We can play hide-and-seek in the palm trees and build sand castles. I'll even share my ice cream if you remember what today's letter is," the kids shouted. "I." The train tooted happily. "That's right. I is for iguana, island, and ice cream." Izzy gave a big wave as he climbed back into the train car. "See you next time. And remember, every adventure starts with a letter." With a choo-choo and a puff of smoke, the alphabet train chugged off to the next station, leaving behind happy smiles and a trail of rainbow sprinkles.